Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
So today we are going to be talking about the movie of Imitation game. It's about a guy who is a mathematician and tries to break the Enigma code, but there will be some problems for him, and he will try to figure out those problems. Also, in that movie, there is World War II. So before going deep conversation, let us introduce ourselves first. So my name is Yusuf.
My name is Phanith. I'm Sokpagnha Lay. I'm Pichsomnang Yim. I'm Katsrieng Lay. And we're all from CS department.
So guys, there will be 10 questions we are going to ask to each other. So first question is, what branch of mathematics was used or mentioned in the movie, and how was it used?
So the two main branches of mathematics that I saw in the movie were statistical analysis and pattern recognition. Statistical analysis is what the machine Christopher used to intercept and to understand the code and data that they got, and pattern recognition was the thing that they used to reduce the variable from 150 quintillion to just a few millions.
Yeah, so thank you so much. The second question is, do you still think that the mathematics in the CS curriculum doesn't have any value to computer science, and why?
I think the mathematician is still very important in computer science because in the movie we can see how mathematics help us build a computer to crack the code and save millions of lives. And also in real world use today, mathematics is used in a lot of our technology, for example, in programming, which require logical thinking, just like solving mathematical problem, cryptography, cybersecurity, and also artificial intelligence and machine learning as well.
Yeah, right. So, what were the type of game that gave them the leverage in the movie, and how did the game help them in their mission?
I think the game that gave them advantage is puzzle solving. As we see in the movie, like when they have the two workers, so they need more co-workers to work with. So that time, Turing, he created a
Crossword puzzle.
yes. So if who can solve it fast, they can join his team. And I think that puzzle solving can help them to crack the Enigma machine. So.
Yeah, it is.
Let me ask a question. What game skills do you have that you think can help you learn better in computer science?
Of course, for me, the game skill that I think will help me in computer science is, the first one is logical thinking, because I play a lot of chess. So that chess helped me develop logical thinking that I can use in computer science. Another skill that I learned from game is problem solving. I play a lot of puzzles, so that make me develop my brain, and I think I'm pretty good at problem solving as well.
Wow.
Next question.
Next question I want to ask, what is the connection between Greek orthography and modern AIs or ML?
The connection between the history of cryptography and modern AI. In the movie, the Imitation game, cryptography was used to hide and decode messages, just like the Enigma machine, where Alan Turing had to decode it. A key scene shows Turing realizing that Germans used the word repeatedly, so he recognized the pattern, and it leads him to decipher the code.
Next question I want to ask, how did the Turing machine become the foundation of modern computer?
The Turing machine became the foundation of modern computer was because it was designed to break the Enigma, but it also functions like an early AI because it had the mind to think and it deciphered the code.
The answer to that question is, how did the Turing machine become the foundation of other aspects in computer science, such as programming, cryptography, AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, and blockchain?
I think Turing works have shaped the modern technology nowadays. Show how to give the computer instruction like programming, create a Turing test to check if the machine can, things like AI, like humans. And his code-breaking work led to the stronger way to keep our data safe, and his idea are still used in today's technology.
Great answer. And also the next question I want to ask is that, we all know that the machine was built to save life, right? But the knowledge it produced gave them the power to determine who live and who die. How can this statement be related to modern technologies such as the internet, social media, games, and cybersecurity? How is this statement true in today's technology?
Well, in today's technology, such as the internet, social media, and cybersecurity, we can see multiple instances of this. Although it's not as harsh as determining who lives and who dies, we can also see things that would can be compared to with, like, let's say, cyberbullying or misinformation or weaponizing social media, right? Social media and the people that uses it. And another thing is the censorship and surveillance. Like now, no one truly have any privacy on the internet, right?
Yes,
Even though you use things like a VPN, you still gonna get tracked, but to a certain extent, right? Another thing that we can see it is in simulation and how the weapons have developed. Thanks to this, we can see drone warfare, right? And like for politics, we can see false propaganda and stuff like that. It's not great, but I think that the development of technology outweighs its flaws.
So on to the next question. Information is power, and the one who controls information controls the world. So as a future computer scientist, how can you ensure that future technology will not be used for evil or cause of human self-destruction?
Actually, this is a great question. Information is really power. So we need to be careful. For example, we need to follow ethical coding practices. And for second suggestion, my suggestion is promote cybersecurity.
Yes.
Also educate people. For example, if we teach people codings and the other stuff, we are going to be careful every single time. And work for good companies. Maybe we can make a company that look after the codes, look after the analysis. That's good actually.
So another question is, what technologies of today do you think is leading society into the path of self-destruction, and why?
Oh, there are a lot of what we call technologies that can use badly. For example, artificial intelligence, AI. So AI, when you ask AI questions, it might give you some wrong information, or social media algorithms. Sometimes they upload wrong information, wrong news, and people need to be careful when they read news or other messages. For cybersecurity threats or deepfake technology, there are lots of wrong, false information that we need to be careful when we read or when we try to learn new things from AI.
Yeah.
So today we try to discuss some questions about the Imitation game, and we highly recommend you to watch that movie. So see you guys.
See you everyone.
So guys, there is a problem that whoever solves, I'm gonna give them extra credit. So who wants to solve this derivative problem?
I know how to solve it.
Really? Come.
Yeah.
Okay, show me. Let's see. Good job, you got extra. Okay, so guys, there is an example about the derivative. So I want you to solve this derivative and tell me the result. Okay?
Make a bomb.
So, do you guys know how to do it?
I know how to make a bomb.
Really? Oh my god, bro! You know it! What's this? I wanna just solve this problem, man. He talks about the bomb.